Hello friends, and once again welcome to my channel. Recently I have received a very strange query from one of my viewer, one of my subscriber, and he asked me straight away that is my wife loyal to me? Does she have any extra marital relationship in present or future? Now these kind of queries are very difficult to answer because we have to judge very deeply and very carefully, and we have to answer the query in a very diplomatic way. And it is not an easy task for any astrologer to reply such kind of a query. But because the urge was genuine and it is the matter of a person's married life, I decided to answer this query, and my observations were. Now let me explain first of all the KP rule, the horary rule for this kind of query. The rule is if 7th cusp sublord is either Mercury or Jupiter and or deposited in dual sign, and any house signifies second house, which is the house for second relation or second marriage, 5th house for love affair, 11th house for friendship, and 12th house for secrets or foreign affairs, the person will definitely have extramarital relationship in the conjoined DBA, means Dasha Bhukti Antara of 2nd, 5th, 11th and or 12th house significators. So this is a clear rule for finding the answer for such types of query. Now let us see the urge of this query, let us see the genuineness of this query. As we can see, these are the KP significators for all the 9 planets, and here we can see the moon. The urge of the query, the genuineness of the query is always checked with moon. Now here you can see the moon is the lord of 11th house, which is the house of friendship, which is the house of affairs. Further, it is in the star of Ketu. Ketu is occupant of 5th house, the house of love affair. So further we can again see that Ketu is here signifying 2nd and 5th house, as Ketu is deposited in the sign which is clearly signifying 2nd and 5th house. So the urge is genuine, the query is genuine without any doubt. Now as this is query asked by a husband for his wife, so we will rotate the chart to the 7th house as ascendant. We will make 7th house as ascendant, and this query was resolved by me on 7th of October 2016. The day was Friday. The time of the judgment was 23 hours and 17 minutes exactly at the place Ludhiana, and the horary number given to me was number 7 by the querent. At the time of judgment, the ruling planets are: ascendant star lord is Rahu, ascendant sign lord is Mercury, moon star lord is Ketu, moon sign lord is Jupiter, and day lord is Venus. So these were the ruling planets at the time of the judgment. Now let us get back to the birth chart, horary chart. Now let me clear one thing more, that these kind of queries should always be resolved with only horary chart. We cannot resolve these types of queries with birth chart. So always keep in this mind that we have to erect a horary chart for such types of query. Now let us see the 7th cusp sublord. Here we can see the 7th cusp sublord is Jupiter itself. Now the first rule is applicable. Further we can see Jupiter is in sign of Mercury. Here we can see in the chart Jupiter is in Virgo sign, and Virgo is a dual nature sign. Here the another rule is applied. So further we will study. Here we can see the significators of Jupiter. Jupiter is in 12th house. Jupiter is the occupant of 12th house. 12th house is known for secrets. 12th house is known for foreign affairs. Here we can see Jupiter is again signifying 11th house of friendship, 11th house of love affair. Further, Jupiter is in sub of Rahu. Now let us see what Rahu is playing a role. Rahu is the occupant of 11th house. 11th house of love affairs. Rahu is in Rashi of Virgo. Rahu is in sign of Virgo, which is a 12th, which is deposited in 12th house. Again 12th house come into the picture, the secret or the foreign affairs. Further, Rahu is aspected by a planet who is signifying second house of second relation, and 5th house of love affair. Hence, without any doubt, we can see that all the rules are genuinely applying in this chart. Further, we can cross check the same. We can cross check it by second house, 5th house, 11th house and 12th house sublords. Here we can see the second cusp sublord is Venus, and 5th cusp sublord is also Venus. Now let us see again about Venus. Venus is clearly signifying second and 5th house, also the 12th house at star lord and sublord level. Let us see the other houses also. Here we can see 12th cusp sublord is Mercury, a dual planet, and Mercury is posited in Virgo sign. Here we can see Mercury is posited in Virgo sign, a dual sign in 12th house. So Mercury is occupant of 12th house, and again Mercury is in star of Sun, which is also signifying 12th house, and Mercury is in self sub, signifying again 12th house. So here repetitively 12th house is coming into the picture, which shows secret foreign affairs. Mercury itself is a dual planet posited in dual sign Virgo, which indicating extramarital affairs. So finally I came to the conclusion that the person's urge is genuine, person's query is genuine, and the answer of this query is positive. His wife is definitely into extramarital relation. But one thing we should keep in mind, that event is always happen when the supportive dasha bhukti periods are running. Now we can see Ketu. The current dasha is running of Ketu. Here, without going to further, here we can see Ketu is signifying 11th and 5th house. House of love affair, house of friendship. The sub dasha of moon is running. Moon is clearly signifying again 5th and 11th house. So doubt is cleared. Answer is positive. His wife is definitely into some kind of extra affair, extramarital affair, some external relationship. It was very difficult for me to tell that person that yes, your answer is positive, yes, your wife is into some kind of relationship. But believe me, I did it very carefully. I very diplomatically answer his query. But sometimes you have to face this kind of situation. You cannot ignore. So for students, for learners who are learning horary astrology, who are studying KP astrology, this video is very helpful for them to learn how they can find answer for these kind of queries, for such kind of questions. Later on we'll discuss more and more. Till then, good luck. Thank you.